Hello viewers. JDBC is a Java API that provides a standard way to interact with any database. It allows Java applications to perform various database operations such as 1. Establishing a connection, 2. Executing SQL statements like insert data, update data, delete data, retrieve data. To connect database using JDBC, we need to follow these steps. 1. Import the required JDBC classes. We need to import the necessary JDBC classes into Java program. The primary classes you'll need are java.sql, connection, java.sql, driver manager, java.sql, statement or java.sql, prepared statement. 2. Load the JDBC driver. Before establishing a database connection, we need to load the JDBC driver for the specific database we are using. Different databases have different JDBC drivers, and we will need to download and include the driver jar file in your project's class path. The driver class name vary depending on the database we are using. For example, if we are using MySQL, we can load the driver using the following code: class, for name, MySQL, JDBC, driver. 3. Establish a database connection. To connect to a database, we need to provide the database URL, username, and password. The URL format depends on the database we are using. Here's an example of connecting to a MySQL database. String URL equals JDBC mysql://localhost port 3306/example change it. String username equals root. String password equals example password change it. Connection equals driver manager. Get connection, URL, username, password. 4. Execute SQL statements. After establishing a connection, we can create a statement or prepared statement object to execute SQL statements. Statement is used for executing static SQL statements. Prepared statement is used for executing parameterized SQL statements. Here's an example of executing a simple select statement using statement. Statement equals connection. Create statement. String SQL equals select asterisk from users. Result set equals statement. Execute query SQL while result set. Next, process each row of the result set. String name equals result set. Get string name int age equals result set. Get int age system.out. Println name plus age plus age. 5. Close the connection. Once we have finished executing SQL statements and processing the results set, it's important to close the database connection and release any resources associated with it. We can do this using the close method. Here's an example: result set, close, statement, close, connection, close. Note that closing the connection is essential to release database resources and avoid memory leaks. Below is the JDBC example program. Import java.sql, connection. Import java.sql, driver manager. Import java.sql, result set. Import java.sql, SQL exception. Import java.sql, statement. Public class JDBC example. Public static void main, string, args, throws class not found exception, database credentials. String URL equals JDBC mysql://localhost port 3306/example change it. String username equals root. String password equals example password change it. Step 1. Load the JDBC driver. Class, for name, MySQL, JDBC, driver. Step 2. Establish a database connection. Connection equals null. Try connection equals driver manager. Get connection, URL, username, password, system.out. Println, connected to the database. Step 3. Execute SQL statements. Statement equals connection. Create statement. String SQL equals select asterisk from users. Result set equals statement. Execute query SQL. Step 4. Process the result set. While result set. Next, string name equals result set. Get string name int age equals result set. Get int age system.out. Println name plus name plus age, step 5, close the connection. Result set. Close, statement. Close. Catch, SQL exception print stack trace. Finally, if connection not equal to null, try connection. Close. Catch, SQL exception print stack trace. That is a basic overview of how to connect Java application to database using JDBC. I hope this helps. Let me know in comments if you want this source code to execute on your system. Thank you for watching the video. Happy coding!